Good morning class, I am Satyam Chaudhary as you know me. Today I have explained 6 points of lesson number 4 or truly beautiful mind, in which in this lesson there is description about a great scientist Albert Einstein. Up to point number 6 we have read that Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and physics, and that's why he got Nobel Prize. Okay, from point number 7, I'm going to explain it today from point number 7. He also felt a special interest in the fellow student, Mileva Marik. Mileva Marik, whom he found to be clever creature. This young sir had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degree. Okay, all in the past time, people were not attending or not giving permission to attend the classes or join the classes for the girls, and there are no trend of co-education. In Europe, there are only few institute or few university where they permit women to get their degree, and university of Zurich was one of them. Okay, University of Zurich was one of them where she came to get her degree. Okay, Albert Einstein was started taking interest in her. This young sir, okay, Einstein was in her all ally, in her an ally against the Philistine, those people in his family and at the university with whom he was constantly at odds. Okay, please speech means a word used to disapprovingly talk about people who do not like art, literature or music. See, he talks about her about the literature, art and music, which she didn't want. Okay. Later survived which they put their affection into words, mixing science with trendiness, wrote Einstein. How happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity to the victorious conclusion. Okay, they started talking to each other in paragraph 7, in this part 7. The writer has explained Einstein and Mileva Marik both are getting attached with each other, and they are now starting writing letters in which they include science also. If they are starting writing a letter, they are not writing in a language, in a simple language of literature. They are using science there. And they talk how happy we are. Einstein told them or wrote in the letter that how happy and proud I shall be when we both, means when we both brought our work on the relativity to a victorious conclusion. कितना खुश नसीब होऊंगा मैं जब हम दोनों का कार्य जो है वह जीत की कगार पर चला जाए. Victorious conclusion. Okay, though both are getting attached with each other with the affection on their study, and by there they are getting attached to each other. They are not thinking about it that if we are work together, we got our work and together, and the relativity of our work took us This was point 7. In point 8, in 1900, at the age of 21, Einstein got his graduation degree. Means he was graduate. He completed his graduation in 1900 at the age of 21, but he was still unemployed. As me. Okay, he was still unemployed, and for them he worked as a teaching assistant, gave private lesson, and finally secured a job in 1902. Okay, after completing his graduation in the age of 28, he was unemployed, but he was working as an assistant teacher in a school and giving her private lessons also. He was trying to make himself success also, and he got a job in 1902. He got a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. Where? In Bern. What is the job? Technical expert. He got job as a technical expert in 1902 in Bern. Okay. While he was supposed to be assist other people's invention, Einstein was actually developing his own idea in secret. He is said to have job in called his desk drawer at work, the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Okay, as he was patent means to check out the documents did by the other persons, other inventions, people inventions. He was to get the technical in charge there, technical expert there, and he was checking the documents what were the people were doing inventings. And at the job he was doing there, he also inventing his own development in his own idea secretly. Okay, as he got a table here, and the people were making job of him, and that called is the table of Bureau of Theoretical Physics. As he was doing his own idea, he was working on his own idea secretly, and the people jokingly told that it is the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. That was point 8. In point 8, that explained he was completed his degree in 1900 at the age of 21, but he was unemployed, so he was worked as an assistant teacher there, and he secured his job in 1902 as a technical in charge in Bern. It was point number 8. Now point number 9 I am going to explain. Point number 9. What is it? On the famous paper of 1905, in a famous paper of 1905, was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. As we know about the time and distance, but in 1905 he gave a new thing about time and distance, and that was the time and distance are not absolute. Okay, indeed, two perfectly accurate clock will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey. If one of them has been moving very fast, relative to the other. If we are taking to watch there and give it a journey for a long time, and if we are taking it a fast speed, they will not show the same time. This was the theory of Einstein, whose experiment was displayed in paper in 1905. Indeed, he explained that if you get two clocks and show the same time, they will not say that same time after a journey. Okay? From this followed the world's most famous formula which describes the relationship between mass and energy is E is equal to mc square. This is the formula given by Einstein, which showed that the time and distance are not absolute, and if we take two class and take a round of the area of a world, they will not show the same time after completing his journey. So the time and distance are not same, not absolute, and he gave the formula mc square, where E is equal to energy, m is equal to mass, and c is equal to what given here, c is equal to speed. This is formula. When you stay with the nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. He explained how time is not same. He is explaining this formula, why time and distance are not same, why time is not same. He is explaining here that if you are with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like you have spent only 2 minutes with her. But when you sit on the hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. Suppose you unfortunately sat on a hot spot, hot stove. That time you feel that you have sat on it from 2 hours. Okay? That was point number 9. Come on, please. Point number 10. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problem in physics, his private life was unraveling. Albert has wanted to marry Mileva Wright. Okay? Mileva Wright. After finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. She is a book like you. His mother said, and she put the wedding off. And point number 10, he wants to marry Mileva, whom he was met in his university, who came to complete her graduation in University of Zurich. He met him, and now he wants to get married with her. While he was doing his experiment of its difficult problem, and he was solving his difficult problem of physics, there is a difficulty in his private life also. He wants to marry Mileva, but his mother doesn't want. His mother doesn't give him permission to marry her, because Mileva was 3 years older than, she was 3 years elder than Einstein. Okay, she was 3 years older than Einstein, and that time she was also intelligent than Einstein. That's why her mother was against the marriage, because she feels that she is also a book like you. In the life, the parents want the suitable life for their children. So if both are book for each other, both are in the same field and both are the good for each other, there means there is no suitable for life, and that's why Einstein put off his wedding. Okay. Now point number 11 there. The pair finally married in January 1903. In January 1903, they got married. In point number 10, they explain how his mother was against Mileva, but he got married in January 1903 with Mileva and has 2 sons also. But a few years later, the marriage faltered. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. Okay? Become weak. That she had to take care of her family. She had to take care of her child. They have 2 sons also, and she had to take care of her child. That's why she feels unhappy. See, her mother had the same problem. She was thinking, you were also intelligent, she was also intelligent. If she feels that she was feeling weak and she was unable to work on her aim, that was bad for them. But he was not agree with her. He got married with her in 1903 and have 2 children. And after some years, they feel bad. She feels bad that she was losing her intellectual ambition. What ambition she had? She also wanted to become intelligent in physics, but she was losing her ambition, and she also becoming unhappy housewife because she had to take care of her children at the place of her studies. After years constantly fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. They got divorced. They continued fighting each other and they got divorced in 1919. Einstein married her cousin Elma in the same year, and he got married with Elma. Einstein got married with Elma in the same year. When Mileva gave divorce, he got married with his cousin Alma. Okay? Now point number 12. Einstein's new personal chapter considered with his rise to world fame. In 1915, now his new chapter, his new character are rising here. Considered with rise to world fame. In 1915, he had published the General Theory of Relativity, which provides a new interpretation of gravity. And eclipse of sun in 1919 got proof that it was occurred. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the exact to which the light from fixed star would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field, and the newspapers proclaimed in his work as scientific revolution. Okay, as he was working on the physics, he also gave a theory, published his theory of relativity, in which he proved that new interpretation of gravity. He proved that an eclipse of sun and the relativity, which his theory was proved by an approved, in which it was occurred by an eclipse of the sun in 1919. He published a general theory of relativity, which was proved by an eclipse of sun. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance that eclipse was falling or eclipse was of sun in 1940 will come, that Einstein was calculated it in advance, and the light from fixed star would be deflected. Deflected means change direction because it hits something. Okay. The newspaper proclaimed his work and the scientific revolution. The work did by the calculation that the eclipse will remove from the sun and come in the gravity of earth, that was explained or calculated by Einstein advance, and that the newspaper was proclaiming the scientific revolution. Point number 13. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. In 1921, he got Nobel for Physics, as we have given the correct theories. He got a Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was served his honor and invitation from all over the world and loved by the press. As he got the Nobel Prize for Physics, he was invited and honored by all over the world and press also. That's all for today. We will recontinue tomorrow. If you got any problems in this session, you can consult with me in the group. Thank you and have a nice day.